Welcome to Make It Cozy with Walmart. I'm Kirsten, and today we are going to upcycle an old shirt and turn it into a beautiful fall banner using Mod Podge and Apple Barrel. Let's get started. So first, let me show you the supplies that you'll need. The first thing you need is gather upcycled flannel shirts in your favorite fall colors. Mod Podge fabric, multi-surface apple barrel satin in mountain forest. Hello Hobby paper stencils in the font that you like. A flat brush and a stencil brush for crafting, scissors and a pencil, and a few of your favorite floral stems for fall. The first step is to cut a large section from each of your shirts, almost cutting the back off of each flannel shirt so that I have a large piece of fabric that I can then use to turn into the banner pieces. And then once you've cut some of the backs, find a pocket on one of your upcycled shirts that you want to include your floral stems and cut that pocket right off of the front of the shirt. Leave a little bit on the top because that's how you will attach the pocket to the banner. Remove 2 pockets and cut the back off of several of your shirts. And then using a basic craft brush and your Mod Podge fabric, apply a thin coat to the back of your pocket. And then on your large fabric pieces, the same thing, just a thin coat of Mod Podge on the back. A tip, the reason we're applying the Mod Podge to a large piece of fabric rather than our pre-cut banner shape is if you apply the Mod Podge first, let that dry and then cut out your banner shape, your edges will not fray and your cut will be smooth and perfect. Once your Mod Podge is dry on your large flannel pieces, using just a scrap piece of paper, create a banner pattern in the desired size. And using a pencil, just trace that pattern. And then simply cut out each banner piece. See how beautifully it cuts because the Mod Podge has sealed and stiffened the fabric. Repeat that on all of your different flannel fabrics until you have all of the banner pieces. To personalize your banner, I have a scrap piece of linen fabric and my favorite Hello Hobby alphabet stencil. So once you've cut those out, I love to fray the edges. And to fray the edges, just simply using your thumb and your finger, rub together until you've created that really soft frayed edge around all the edges of your linen squares. Once you've created your little patches, using Apple Barrel multi-surface, I'm using Mountain Forest, apply a little bit of paint to your palette. You just need a little because we're stenciling. A dry stencil brush, and then simply place your Hello Hobby stencil on the center of your linen square. Remove your stencil and you have a personalized patch for your banner. Then to assemble your banner, you're going to apply a little bit of Mod Podge to the back of your linen square. And using the Mod Podge as a glue, you're going to place that patch on the center of your banner piece and just press that down and let that dry. The final step is to attach your banner pieces to your jute string. Apply a thin coat to the top edge of your banner piece. Place the jute on the Mod Podge and fold just the top of your banner piece over. Press that down and let that dry. For more project ideas and inspiration, visit plaidonline.com.